Today, we're going to discuss the misconceptions behind these courses and the pros and cons. So let's start with the pros. The pros with purchasing a Master Resell Rights course is that you do not have to create your own. This is perfect for beginners who have zero experience in the online space because it really does teach you from A to Z, step by step, teaching everything from branding, marketing, content creation to sales and business growth. It also gives you step-by-step actionable video tutorials, quick and easy lessons designed for fast implementation. Personally, for me, I have 2 kids and I was able to put this together in under a week, just during the kids' nap times. What they do offer with these courses is live coaching calls weekly. There's ongoing mentorship and also support to help you succeed. There's also a thriving community, 24/7 access to supported group for like-minded entrepreneurs, and you can also chit-chat with other people that are going through the same journey as you so you don't feel as lonely. The pro of this is also it has a master resale right, so you can sell it for 100% profit. You just need one person to purchase the course and you would make your money back. The next pro, it's evergreen and is a proven business model. Even Forbes declared that digital marketing is going to be one of the highest paying jobs or highest paying occupation in 2025. The next is one of my favorites. You can work anywhere in the world. You don't have a desk job. You don't have to go to a 9-to-5 job. You can stay home with your family and you can create your own income from the comfort of your own. To recap, it's a done for you business model. There's unlimited earning potential. It's fast and easy to start. You learn while you earn. So while you're promoting it, you're still setting up your back office. There's also very low risk and high reward. There's no inventory, there's no shipping, there's no delivery. It's just a digital download that you can resell. Now let's discuss the cons of purchasing an MRR course. Number one is the market saturation. You are battling with everybody else that's selling the same thing. And in order for you to stand out, you really need to put your brand and your own uniqueness behind what you're selling. What you would need to do is maybe put a bundle together. If they're purchasing from you, they're getting these extras like mentorship, extra resources that they can get started on. Number two is there's no unique branding. You're reselling someone else's content, not creating your own. So while your own logo on it or slap your own branding colors on it, it doesn't really build a long-term brand. You want people to follow you, not just buy the product because it's trending. I do recommend you creating your own course, but this lays out the foundations on how to create your own digital products from scratch. The other main con is that you have no control over the updates or any changes that are within the course. So one day they can be, hey, it's Master Resell Rights course. The other day they can be, hey, it's an affiliate course and you can only earn 50% now. So you actually have no control over these things. To sum it up, is MRR bad? I personally myself don't think so because it's teaching you the business foundations on how to get started online, especially there's so much noise on the online space. You want to learn from here, you want to learn from there, and you actually don't know where to start. It's good to learn from one course that teaches you everything step by step in a fast and quick way. It's also a proven business strategy. There is a lot of people making money from it. It's not just really about copy and pasting. You can still put your own branding behind this, but if you're starting as a faceless account, it's definitely going to be harder because people don't see your face. I know that there's a lot of faceless accounts out there that eventually started showing their face and started their own digital products after they have grown an audience. What my thoughts are is for you to build your own brand and add extra value and create a long-term business by showing your face and showing your own uniqueness. If you want to learn how to do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out all my free digital guides below on how to start at a lower digital product because it's a lot simpler to sell. Now we're going to take a quick dive into what's included in the courses and the modules. Let's look into the roadmap, which was created by a husband and wife partner, Zach and Hannah. So here is the summary of the roadmap. So introduction to the roadmap, when it launched, creating your business, marketing your business in a digital age. Here it's about just kind of the foundations and then building your automated process. You are going to get support as well in their group and live Zoom calls. The main thing about these courses when I'm reading through these is building a foundation for your business, setting up systems. Roadmap to Riches emphasizes step-by-step on building an online business with a focus on sales funnels and marketing strategies. The roadmap has 330 lessons and over 30 hours of step-by-step tutorials. The roadmap course comes with a hefty price of $497 USD. Now, once you buy the course, you can always resell it for more, but not for less. Same with the other Master Resell Rights courses. There are monthly plans and there are payment plans available. If you do go on a monthly plan and you are paying, let's say, for 3 months, and anytime within those 3 months, if you do get a sale, your payment will be held until you complete all your payments. There are also monthly plans available over the course of 6 months or 12 months, making the payment a lot smaller and more affordable. Now, if you decide to go on a monthly payment plan with purchasing a course, when you do sell the course, you are going to get paid commission right away, and it's not going to be held like the monthly payment plan because once you go through Klarna or Affirm, the person that you're purchasing from, they do get paid that full commission on it because Klarna and Affirm is paying them, and you are paying Klarna and Affirm back. Therefore, no payments are held. You're going to get paid right away once you start on your monthly payment plan. Let's go into the Digital Wealth Academy. Rachel is a mother of 2. She created this course after taking the roadmaps course, which was the original course that came out, teaches you the foundation, Instagram formula, the pre-launch, and then teaches you creating your own digital products, where to host your digital products, which is Stan Store and System.io. If you take a look at her Instagram page, she has a lot of income claims, and if you look through all her posts, she says that she's made like $500,000 in 2023 in 6 months. This course right here, it is hosted on School. If you haven't heard of School, it's a platform created by Hormozy and Sam Ovens. This course essentially teaches you everything from A to Z. And you also get some bonus products if you do choose to purchase from her. Digital Wealth Academy focuses on a broad spectrum of digital marketing strategies, content creation, and business automation, as well as affiliate marketing, if that's what you're into. It also provides Master Resell Rights, enabling participants to resell the course. And the price of Digital Wealth Academy is $497. You can do it on a monthly plan, so you can start earning while you learn. The Ultimate Branding course concentrates on personal branding and establishing a strong online presence, aiming to help individuals like yourself differentiate in the digital market space, which is widely important nowadays, especially if people are posting the same things with basis accounts. It is good to stand out from the crowd and to brand yourself, because at the end of the day, people buy into people, not into products. Okay, now let's look into the Ultimate Branding course. So I am here in the School community where the course is hosted. So you can see here all the live calls that are recorded is right here. It's a weekly call. Here in the classroom is where you will learn and implement everything. As you see here, you learn the foundations, just pretty much exactly like the roadmap course as well as the DWA course, but it is geared towards more branding for yourself. But everything's pretty much exactly the same. Selling online content. So if you do decide to purchase the course, you will get a bonus from me, which is my Reels Revolution, which I created myself from learning from the course. What it is 365 days done for you content, so you can preload everything, have your content done, because the biggest thing about these courses is actually staying consistent and posting. So if you're not posting, you're not making money. For you to purchase UBC, you will get 365 days of reels, captions, hooks, stories, carousels, you name it, you got it. I will put it in the description box below. Just reach out to me if you have any questions. I do want to preface this, that Master Right Resale courses is not a scam. It's a great way to get your foot in the door if you want to start an online business, because it does teach you from A to Z. Now, whatever course you decide to purchase, there's a couple things that you do want to know. Make sure you're purchasing from someone that is willing to kind of teach you the ropes and teach you some different strategies along the way and be there for you as a support system. Also, you want to purchase with someone that may even have some extras that they can give, free resources for you to put into your Stan Store or your System.io store, so that you can get things started quicker and get your foot running, or whatever that word is, right? These courses are not a scam. scam. If you don't want to create your own course, this is definitely the way to go because it will lay out the foundations for the rest of your online experience and online journey. For the past 5 years, I've done so many stuff online. It is so good to have one thing in one place. But I do want to preface that this is not an easy thing to sell. Selling a $499 course or $497, it is quite hard because you are going to have to build substantial trust for someone to fork out $497. The good thing is that it does have Master Resell Rights course, so if they do buy it, they are going to get to sell it for 100% profit. What I do recommend is you start at a lower digital product, anywhere from $7 to $97. That's considered a low digital product. Now, if you want more information on how to create your own low digital products, make sure to follow me along on my journey and I'll share tips and tricks with you on how to get started. I do have a bunch of resources for you to download to get things started on your digital products journey. I hope you found this video helpful and I'll see you in the next one.